Next question comes from James on Instagram. Awesome. Thanks, Adam. It's a cool system. So this is a fellow that was asking me some question about going from the home side to the pro side. It's a cool system. It's basically a twin vessel system. This is the pro side equipment, which I currently brew on. So not much should change that way. But how does hop utilization change from a home brew system to a bigger system? And if I'm doing a hop regimen for hazy at home, being 10 IBU at 60 and 20, then 4 grams per liter of a 20-minute Whirlpool edition. Should I be altering or taking the cooling time into account for the 20-minute edition? And so congratulations on the new job. I'm looking forward to watching and listening to more of your stuff. James, thanks, man. You know, the biggest difference between pro side brewing and home side brewing is the scale, particularly in the way that it works with hop utilization, in the way that I'm going to have hot wort in the fermenter for usually far longer than you do at home. If you're using a plate chiller at home, or if you are using an immersion chiller at home, you can crash that thing down far faster than you can a 5, 10, 15, 30 barrel volume of wort. So that wort that you hit with a Whirlpool edition, the supermajority is going to be hot for much, much longer. Just as a rule of thumb, on a 15 barrel system, I always calculated Whirlpool editions as 20-minute editions when it comes to my hop calculator. So that's how I would input it. When I'm using Beersmith, though, I use Beersmith right now for my recipe calculations. You can go to Whirlpool hop and then say at what temperature for how long. And I think that does a good job of figuring out the utilization for you. So that's what I would recommend. That's the primary thing. And so I would be putting this into something like Beersmith. And you will be getting maybe, you will be getting more contact time. So you will be getting greater hop utilization depending on how much longer that wort is staying hot on hops. Big Daddy, hashtag Big Daddy Addy, coming from Gnarly No, man. Yeah, right. Chic, welcome, howdy. Sometimes when I see people in here, I'm wondering who all it really is. Gnarly Gnome, Andrew, you've got to see some of the stuff Urban Artifact is doing with dehydrated fruit. It's insane, expensive, but insane. Yeah, Urban is doing really, really wild stuff. They do a ton of stuff with fruit. They do dehydrated fruit. They do a lot of hand processing and pasteurizing of their own fruit in house. They're doing some wild things on the fruit beer side, on the tart fruit beer side of things. So if you have not checked them out, you definitely need to. Leg Moran, welcome very much. Welcome, man. You're welcome very much. Just catching up. Thanks, Heats, for answering the question earlier, Adam. Much appreciated. You got it, brother. You know how we do. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're going to maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.